Yes. So you're a mentor of the day.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now I am going to introducing one great person. Arey yaar, when I talk with him, he is such a beautiful.
Of course.
And I saw his energy is next level. If you in case is there competition with Hitler, my trainee will be win.
Yes.
Because of he have lot of courage. Now I am going to invite Mr. Mrutyunjay on the stage.
Mrityu.
Yeah.
Put on.
So ready guys? Just be careful and listen his words. He's like now he's going to rule entire Welltalk Institute. Let's go.
First of all, good afternoon, everyone.
Wow.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Mrityunjay Kumar.
Wow.
I am from Bihar.
Okay.
Today I am going to talk about English language.
Wow.
So first, English language is not a language.
Huh.
It is a skill.
Wow.
Without English language, you will not achieve anything.
Okay.
English language is not a language.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And it is not a desire.
Wow.
It is a need in this era.
Yes. Go people. Huh? Wow.
So, ma'am, I am asked what will become in your life?
Wow.
I want to become a cabin crew in my life.
Cabin
crew.
crew.
Oh my God, what is your name?
Vijay Yadav.
Vijay Yadav. Oh, my
Beautiful
beautiful name, yaar. What is your name, brother?
My name is Anurag Kumar.
Anurag Kumar. I think you are from Bihar.
Oh.
I am also from Bihar, brother. So, I am asking you, what will become in your life, brother?
My life is anything.
No, become what you.
What is your
about-
goal?
What is your goal in future?
NSC Commando.
In the commando. Oh my God! I appreciate you, brother.
Yes.
So, I am saying, just that girl told to me, she wants to become a cabin crew. So he wants to become cabin crew. So need English language.
Yes.
Without English language, he will not become a cabin crew. See, he's here because of learning English. After learning English, he go for interview. Then he crack. Then he got a job in cabin crew. But some people think.
Oh my God.
Some people think about English language is not important in this era.
Oh my God. Okay.
Some people, I am good. I am okay without English language. Some people think.
Some people think, yeah.
Some people think I don't need English language
Yeah.
in this era.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
But listen carefully, brother and sister. English language is not about showing off.
Showing off, yes.
Okay.
English about?
English is not about changing who you are.
Who you
Oh,
are?
oh.
But
But.
it's all about changing your growth.
Oh. Wow.
So, mark my word.
Mark my word.
Mark my word, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
I am. Could you my story?
Oh, of course.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, of course.
Could I a story?
You can.
Why work come here for learning English?
Okay.
Okay. First, once upon a time.
Emotions.
Once upon a time. I went in Gujarat
Gujarat, okay.
in Concentrix company for interview.
Oh, okay.
So first wait 2 minutes for interview. HR. I waited 2 minutes. HR called to me for interview. I went in cabin. So after cabin, she told to me, you sit. I got seat. I said, huh? I said, sit. So after he told to me, what is your name? I mean, first of all, what you tell me.
Oh, okay, okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, carefully listen. Listen me carefully.
Conclusion, conclusion.
Why are you come here? Listen. Ma'am asked to me. First of all, tell me about yourself.
Okay.
But that time I remind about myself. Tell me English language.
Okay, English, okay.
English language. But again told me why did you left last company? But at that time I can't understand his word.
Okay.
So I asked to ma'am, please could you speak Hindi language?
Okay.
He told to me. He told to me. If you don't English language, you can go. Yes.
Oh, same.
Yes,
Same.
Sir, if you don't English language, why did you come here for interview? Oh my God! That time, my heart is crying. Oh my God! My heart is crying. My heart is crying. So at that time, I decided. Whatever may happen. Whatever may happen, I will learn speaking English. That's why I am here for learning English.
Okay.
That's why. Today I am confident.
Wow!
Because of Karna brother.
Okay. Conclusion. Dance.
Okay. So please sing one sing and I am done.
Okay. Ready? Same Kannada song. Okay. Is there anyone singer?
Kannada?
Singer.
Kannada song.
Kannada song.
Yeah.
ಕಾಣದಂತೆ
Yeah.
ಓಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು ಕೊಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಓಡಿ ಹೋದನು.
Thank you, sir, for thank you, my God. Thank you for careful listening, my brother, and support to me. Careful, okay.
Guys, I'm going to hire Karna. I'm going to hire Karna at Will Talk. What salary will you take? Please tell me honestly. Yes. What salary? What is your expectation of salary?
Zero expectation, sir.
Zero expectation? Alright, no problem. Great, yaar. Zabardast. You made him really confident.
Yeah, he's already very confident, sir.
Really?
He needs some.
But last time he was very hopeless, right? He was crying also.
Because, sir, I am telling you, without knowledge, everyone not confidence. Come.
Yeah.
First of all, you gain knowledge, then you automatic come confidence in your life.
So you're gaining knowledge, right?
No, but I first of all, sir, yesterday,
I did not have knowledge. Yesterday?
before 1 month, I did not have knowledge. Then yesterday, I read
read.
about English language. This I am here and I speak. And he
Pushed me.
pushed me. You can do it. That's why I can do it.
Will you appreciate him?
Yes, appreciate.
Will you marry him? Oh, sorry. Will you respect him?
Yes, of course.
Of course. Please sit down, everybody. Come on. Very nice, very nice. Now the next mentor of the day. Of course. Let's see how he does or she does. Come on. Mentor of the day, Miss Barkati. Only one mentor, right? Two mentors for one person. Okay, I will call Nawazis after some time. So Miss Barkati, first of all, tell me that who has given you this beautiful name Barkati?
You all are, sir.
And color matching. Wow, what is the love? Oh, I proposed him. जब भी आंखें बंद करता हूँ तो तुम्हें देखता हूँ. Right? That's why Barkati Bhai is very. So Barkati Bhai, you are unconfident. I think
No,
so.
no, no, I am not.
So tell about your member, who he is. Call him, invite him, and compliment him, please. Come on.
First of all, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Sir, my mentor this is his first class, so he is not.
He is your mentor.
No.
He's a trainee.
Hi, he is a trainee.
Of course.
So he is not much confident, but
down, please, come on.
No.
You
But
should say
I-
he's damn confident today because of me.
No.
He's not confident.
He is confident. I made him confident.
Oh, please.
I made him confident. So I would like to call Mr. Masoom Akhtar.
Masoom! Alright, Masoom. तेरी मासूमियत ने बंजारा बना दिया. Come on, hello. Come on, not your trainer is here.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Hello sir. My name is Masoom Akhtar. I am from Uttar Dinajpur, West Bengal. I am here to learn English. Today is my first day in this class.
Speak. What is your hobbies? What is your qualification?
My qualification 12th pass and I also Hafiz Alhamdulillah.
Say. I.
Unconfident.
No.
Unconfident.
Sir, no. He has one problem. He told me.
I'm going there.
No. Okay.
ये
Guys,
सब चीजों
say.
में ही डिसऑर्डर होना चाहिए.
Speak. Okay. Hindi, English.
मैं यहाँ पे जो आया कल तो यहाँ पे देखा सर से बात हुई तो काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंट आया, लेकिन क्या होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं इंग्लिश ना आने की वजह से जो अपना कॉन्फिडेंस है वो अपने दिल में दबा रह जाता है. हम चाहते हैं, हमारे जहन में बहुत सारी बात आती है लेकिन जब उसको जब वो मुंह तक आता है और ट्रांसलेट होते होते वो बिल्कुल समेट के एक लाइन बन जाता है. दुनिया भर के बातें रहता है माइंड में, लेकिन जब इंग्लिश बोलने की बात आती है तब कहीं ना कहीं डर सा महसूस होता है. इसी डर को खत्म करने के लिए हम उत्तर दिनाजपुर से चल के यहाँ पर आए हैं. तो हम चाहते हैं, और मैं कल जब आया यहाँ पे देखा लोग बच्चे स्टूडेंट इंग्लिश बोल रहे थे, बाहर लिखा हुआ था हिंदी इज नॉट अलाउड. तो मैं सोच रहा था मैं रिटर्न चले जाऊं, लेकिन अगर मैं रिटर्न गया तो मेरे घर वाले मुझे ताना बनेंगे, मेरे दोस्त लोग जो है मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. तो मैं ये बिल्कुल नहीं चाहता, और मैं चाहता हूं अगर 3 महीने बाद या 4 महीने बाद यहां से मैं लौटूं तो फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलूं, सबके साथ अपने दोस्तों के साथ अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट करूं और अपना जो स्किल है इसको अच्छे से डेवलप करूं. तो आज मैं चाहता हूं सबसे पहले इंग्लिश में बाद में बोलूंगा, सबसे पहले मैं अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को यहां पे बिल्ड करूं और अपना जो डर है उसको मैं यही छोड़ के जाऊं.
करिए वादा ही भैया. एक्सक्यूज.
Sir.
मैं आप सभी से वादा करता हूँ.
मैं आप सभी से वादा करता हूं
3 से 4 महीने में
3 से 4 महीने में
इंग्लिश में डिबेट करूंगा.
इंग्लिश में बिल्कुल डिबेट करूंगा,
इंग्लिश में स्पीच दूंगा.
इंग्लिश में स्पीच दूंगा, इंग्लिश में स्पीच दूंगा, और
फिर वेस्ट बंगाल वापस जाऊंगा.
फिर वेस्ट बंगाल वापस जाऊंगा.
सबको एहसास कराऊंगा कि
सबको एहसास कराऊंगा कि
मैं जीवन में कुछ कर सकता हूं.
मैं जीवन में बहुत कुछ कर सकता हूं. यस सर.
अब इसी बात में थोड़ा इंग्लिश हो जाए. यस.
यस सर.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. কেমন?
सर आई एम बंगाली बट नॉट माधभात वाला.
His language is not
बंगाली
Bengali.
नहीं आती, कम आती है सर.
His language.
হিন্দি आती है आपको?
यस सर.
বাংলা नहीं आती है?
बांग्ला आती है,
थोड़ी
समझ
थोड़ी
थोड़ी
आती है.
कम
ऑलराइट. की खबर?
भालो सर.
भालो. इतना आती है, इतना मुझे भी आती है. कमाल यार.
सही है सर.
Say in English.
इंग्लिश बोलिए अब.
Hey guys. In English, whatever you want to speak in English, just like you are speaking in just English.
Hello guys, my name is Masoom Akhtar. I am from Uttar Dinajpur. I am here learn English.
Yeah, both sides.
What is English? English is not just a language. It's a
Skill. Powerful tool to improve.
it's a powerful tool in our life. Because
Without English.
without English, not complete our life.
And without English, say,
And without English,
we can't talk to.
you can't talk to other peoples, other countries' peoples.
Yeah.
So
So you must
learn English.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, now you come here. Tell people about him. Whatever he did, however he is. इनकी सच में personality जबरदस्त है. Confident बंदा है. इनके बारे में कुछ बोलिए. Speak something about it.
Guys, he is Masoom Akhtar. As he told, he is from West Bengal. He has confidence, but he has some problem. Some problem is he is from West Bengal, but he doesn't know Bengali language so much, and his language is Surjapuri. Okay.
Sujapur and English.
Surjapuri and Hindi. But he is he is very confident, and I saw him one thing in him. He is very curiosity to learn something. I told him ki be confident, and only one time I told him ki be confident, and I told him do like this, and but he as the way he spoke
more than
here.
that.
Yes sir.
He did more than that.
He did more than that. The way he spoke here, oh my God, I am impressed from him.
Exactly.
Yes sir.
Very nice, very nice. Please have a seat. Wow, you did a well job.
Thank you sir.
Yeah, so you have confidence in Hindi but not English. Please work hard just like Chedi bhai, Paramjeet bhai, come on and improve as soon as possible. And don't, take Sikanji in Lucknow all the times. If you take Sikanji and enjoy in the park, you will never be able to learn English language. Come daily, learn. Because so many people came, spent time 1 year, couldn't learn English. But so many people came within 2 months and 1 month they have learned good English. It's about It's about so please do that. Ladies and gentlemen, mentor of the day. Excuse me, mentor of the day, Mr. Chedia. Hi sir.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Fantastic. About you,
Really?
sir? Yes.
I'm not good.
Why, sir?
I'm
Why?
fantastic.
Oh, that's why you are telling. Oh my God.
My goodness. So Chedi bhai, who is your, trainee?
Yes. So before inviting, I want to say about my trainer. What a great potential. When I take name, then मानो जैसे फूल की बरसातें हो रही है. Oh my goodness, really, next level energy, guys, next level energy. So I would like to invite Mr. MD from Bihar.
MD from Bihar.
Yes.
All right, first meet him. Shake hand.
Hello. You have to. I'm telling you, you have to speak in English. Don't single word speak Hindi. Okay. Okay. First of all, you have to introduce, and then after that, what topic you have, then you can speak. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is MD Safiullah, and I am from Bihar.
Yes.
Currently, I am living in Lucknow, Kapurthala.
Yes.
Today, I am going to talk about coding.
Okay. So, yes.
Why we can learn coding?
What's the important of learning coding? So you have to speak. And what's the work?
You can
What have you done? Yes.
learn coding. Then you can create a multiple website.
Yes.
You can learn coding. Then you can create a WellTalk Institute website.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes.
You can learn coding. Then you can multiple games. multiple website, and you can learn coding.
Yes.
Then multiple fields.
So you can join any companies for work, for earning money. Yes, you have to say it, you have to tell.
You can learn coding. Then you can place multiple company.
Yes.
जैसे Accenture, Microsoft.
Yes. Continue. Yes. So what have you done? What have you made after learning? Yes, please tell.
I learned. Sorry.
Yeah, already I have.
I
made.
can create a website.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry. I can.
Yes.
I can create a library management system project.
You have,
Library management system.
you have already made.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
I can made a library management system.
Yes.
I create a
Yes.
Python language.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
No. I can use. Sorry. I use a Python language and HTML, CSS,
Yes.
and I create a small multiple games like a snake water gun.
Yes. If you wanna use that app, yes.
If you can learn coding,
Yes.
then you can create a multiple website.
Yes.
Then you can learn
After
learn amount
Yes. After making app, then you can earn easily money. If you wanna create, yes. Tell.
If you can learn coding,
Yes.
then multiple website, then multiple apps.
Yes. App. Yes. So you have to tell what's the work, what's important of coding and what's work there in companies. So why have you learned? Why have you learned this coding? So you have to tell. Yes.
I have learned coding because I need a job.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
And I need a. I
Don't use Hindi. Okay? You have to speak in English. Yes. What's the work in company after learning coding? What will you do? Yes.
I learn Python. I learn HTML, CSS.
Yes.
HTML, CSS. Create a CSS is a design.
Yes.
CSS is a design.
It's a design,
and
yes.
HTML is a text.
Okay.
All right, no problem, everybody. Come on. We have very less time. Say thank you so much, guys, for listening. बोलिए.
Thank you, sir.
इनसे भी बोलिए. Come on. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone,
Thank you
for
so
this giving me this opportunity.
Oh my goodness.
Next time.
Next time, I will try best.
Yeah.
I try my best.
Yes.
Thank you.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, you be here. पहली बात तो इनका पहला दिन, दूसरी बात रैंडम स्पीच,
Yes, sir.
फिर भी बहुत कोशिश किया. मुझे लगता पूरी जी जान लगा दिया बेचारा. राइट. चलिए तारीफ करिए अपनी लैंग्वेज में.
Oh my goodness. अपनी लैंग्वेज?
In your
Bhojpuri,
language, in
sir?
English. अरे no. By your words. Yeah.
So, as you can see, my trainer. What
My
a great-
trainer. My trainee.
Oh, my training.
My trainee.
My training. Yes. So, what a great potential he have
He has.
He has.
आपको confident करना
Oh my
पड़ेगा.
goodness.
You can do it.
Yes, I can do it.
Come on.
So definitely he have energy and potential, so definitely he will try best more and more and be confidence. Okay, thank you so much.
Very nice, fantastic. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आप लोग एक दूसरे को अपलिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. आज वो लाइन ट्रू हो रही है और आज ही क्या डेली होती है. We will grow together supporting each other. Right? Today, I think 50% people are trainers of the day today. Let's invite a girl who always has been bechari, लाचारी, हर जगह से हारी, and sometime अत्याचारी, and will become भ्रष्टाचारी, and will become vyapari also in future. Okay? But today she will become sistachari. Can I invite? Yes. Her name is Sarojini. Come on. Who is trainer of Sarojini? Oh my God! Revent has always something, right? So thank you for joining. Please come here.
Turn around.
So,
Yeah, performance now start. Yeah, okay, right. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm in front of you because I'm not in your backside. Today I'm standing on the stage because I'm not sitting. So today I introduce one actor and motivator, one teacher, a doctor, lawyer. When she can give to performance, oh my God, you can love it. And she can make you cry, she can make you motivate you, she can teach you information about beautiful story about a father and daughter. So let's invite the actor performance. Let's start. Yeah.
good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and good morning, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I want to talk about father and daughter story. Then start.
I'm a father of her and she is a daughter. Sarojini? Sarojini? Sarojini, how are you?
What happened, father?
So,
Why are you disturbing me? I am using phone. Please go. Why are you disturbing? Always, again disturb Sarojini. What are you doing? Please don't disturb.
Please listen my
What
words.
are you
Please
do-
listen my words. I'm too hard for you.
I'm
Working
not
for you.
listening you. Please
I'm
go.
24
Please
hours
go.
working. 20
Please go, father. Please go. I am watching phone and I am calling my friend.
Please, Sarojini, could you please understand my
Please
words?
go, father.
I give
Don't
you more of
irritate
love.
me.
You are only one, my daughter.
Please don't irritate me, my father. Please go.
What can I do? I didn't understand.
Hello, Priya. You know, my father is very bad person. He always scolded me. Please tell me, what are you doing? He said always, you don't go in their side. You don't go outside area. Please tell me.
Are you? Yeah, take this food, beautiful food I will make you.
No, I don't eat. I don't want eat. Please go. Don't.
What
disturb me.
happened, my daughter? I give to love and so much responsibility. I work so much hard for her. But she ignored me as if be like a father I'm failed. So I want to be die.
father, why are you doing acting? Please wake up. Hey father. Father. Hey father, please wake up. Father, hey father, please don't. Hey father, please don't leave me. Father, father, please wake up. I want to need. Father, please wake up. Don't. Please wake up. Hey ma'am, please give me my father. Please give me my father. Ma'am, please give me my father. Please help me. Sir, please give me my father. Please, I want this person. He is very important for me. Please give me my father. Father, why are you not wake up? Please, wake up! Hey guys, why are you don't respect your father? Please respect your father. You don't respect your father. Your father leave you. Your father छोड़ना का क्या होगा? Left you. Please respect father. Thank you, sir.
And this is the stage actor acting made to us cry and motivate to you. And I want to share how my daughter experienced to share to you. Yeah. Could you please give to my daughter rating 5 of that? 10. Thank you. Yes, daughter, you nailed it. After father died, you wake up. What kind of this? I'm in heaven. I'm scolding to my daughter. She is still not wake up. That's why I want to tell my daughters, everyone, please wake up, potential strength, be courage, don't care about society, build your empire. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. How great she became today. I'm speechless. Unbelievable. I mean, everything. And the way she was using sentences, she was rarely making mistakes. Don't irritate me. I'm using mobile phone. Why are you disturbing me? Every tense was like, oh my goodness. Great, Sarojini, fantastic. To be like this. In every public speaking, be like this. Do some khurafat. अब इनका देखिए कि इमेज बन गया है तगड़ा. Now everybody will respect her because she did it. तो वैसे आपने भी इमेज बनाना अपना, क्लास में एक ओहदा बनाना आपने, एग्जिस्टेंस बनाना आपने. Oh, let's welcome next person, and of course we all have to appreciate Mr. Revant also. He did well. Let's welcome the next mentor of the day, ladies and gentlemen, Ruhi. Please come to the stage. The mentor, Ruhi, please come to the stage. And Arya, right? Yes, exactly. Please have this. The stage is yours.
Hello guys, my name is Ruhi and now I am a mentor, not a trainee. Yeah. She is my trainee and my partner. She is very cute and beautiful girl. And will you start?
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Arya Gond from Kushinagar. She is my beautiful trainer.
Yeah,
That's
start.
my topic.
Start. Restart. 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 Yes.
My topic is problem.
With.
My topic is problem. हमारे लाइफ में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं. हमारे लाइफ में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, बट हमें उस प्रॉब्लम को फेस करना चाहिए, ना कि उसके मतलब उससे डर के जाना चाहिए. लाइफ इज बिग प्रॉब्लम्स, बट प्रॉब्लम्स इज नॉट परमानेंट.
Yes. Speak loudly.
हाँ, हिंदी बोले कि पूरा दहाड़ की बोलिए.
Yes. Yes, you can do it. Yes, yes. Yes, please speak. Speak. You have words. You tell in Hindi. Sir said. Tell in Hindi.
और जैसे क्लास में कोई टॉपर्स होते हैं, कोई अच्छा पढ़ने वाले होते हैं, तो हम लोग उनसे कंपेयर करते हैं कि वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं. और कोई आके बताता है हमसे कि तुम ये नहीं कर पा रही हो, वो नहीं कर पा रही हो. बट हमें उसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं समझना चाहिए. दिस इज नॉट प्रॉब्लम. हमें उसको फेस करना चाहिए. और ऐसा होता है कि
Yes, yes. Speak, speak, speak. Hello, brother.
हेलो ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू?
Fantastic. About you?
You have any problem?
यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No, I don't have. You have any problem?
Yes.
So you can
Yes.
tell.
Fear.
Fear. Oh my goodness, fear of fear. But
Yes.
Don't listen about him. What they are saying. Be confident and tell about whatever you say.
Yes.
Whatever you want to say.
Tell. Every problem has
Yes.
a solution. Story in Hindi. In Hindi.
Yes.
सभी प्रॉब्लम्स एक सल्यूशन लेके आते हैं. सभी प्रॉब्लम एक सल्यूशन लेके आते
सभी
हैं.
प्रॉब्लम एक सोल्यूशन लेके आते हैं कि हमें मतलब कैसे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, कैसे उसको फेस करना चाहिए, कैसे उसको सॉल्व करना चाहिए. बट हमें किसी से कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए.
Talk.
हेलो सिस्टर, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Priya.
वेयर यू फ्रॉम?
I am from Sonbhat.
तुम किसी एग्जाम में फेल हुए कभी? किसी भी एग्जाम में कभी फेल हुए?
आप किसी भी एग्जाम में कभी फेल हुए?
बोलो यस, बोलो यस, बोलो.
Yes, yes.
तो जब फेल हुए तो तुम्हें अपना प्रॉब्लम ढूंढना है, कहाँ तुम लैग कर रहे थे. बोलो.
तो जब आप
विथ कॉन्फिडेंस.
आप फेल हुई तो अपनी प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से ढूंढी? मतलब
क्या किया आपने? जब आप फेल हुई तब आपने क्या किया? ऐसे बोलो.
जब आप फेल हुई तो आपने क्या किया?
Then I do hard work and pass my exam.
Every problem has solution. You find it.
सॉरी सर, नेक्स्ट टाइम.
नहीं आप अच्छा बोल रही है. ट्रेनर सुनिए.
Speak with confidence. In Hindi. You speak in Hindi. Sir,
थिंकिंग नहीं आ रहा है ना मेरे.
वहाँ आ रहा था.
नहीं कोई नहीं, इतना बोली, बहुत अच्छा बोली. गाइस नेक्स्ट टाइम बहुत अच्छा बोली.
हेलो गाइस, नेक्स्ट टाइम माय परफॉर्मेंस इज बेस्ट.
कोई सुन नहीं रहा. नेक्स्ट. हेलो गाइस.
सॉरी हे गाइस नेक्स्ट.
कोई सुन नहीं रहा. Speak.
हे गाइस, नेक्स्ट टाइम माय परफॉर्मेंस इज बेस्ट. आई विल ट्राई
Try my best.
ट्राई माय बेस्ट.
चलिए कोई बात नहीं.
It's okay. Hello everyone. You listen her confidence. She has no confidence right now. But she when she tried her best, you saw her confidence. She has lots of confidence, but she can't speak. When she said and she told me everything, she has lots of knowledge, but she has not confidence. But next time she definitely have confidence. Okay, thank you.
Very nice. इट्स ओके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पहली बार स्टेज पे आ गई आप। हाँ, पानी पीना है? अच्छा लाते हैं। अच्छा, आपको जाना चाहिए। आई थॉट आप हमसे पानी मांग रहे हैं। हाँ प्लीज, हेलो, नमकीन दीजिए। Alright, the next mentor, everybody, let's welcome Mr. Farooq Bhai. Farooq Bhai. Mayank. अच्छा, who's mentor? अच्छा, you are mentor. ये तो गड़बड़ हो गया।
Both are confident.
You both are confident. Okay, when he will speak, you motivate him. When you will speak, he will motivate you. Okay? So first, who will motivate who?
Invite my friend, but I will. After that, I will speak.
Okay, हाँ, fine. So आप बाहर जाइए, फिर आप इनको invite करिए, ठीक है ना? कि I'm going to invite Farooq Bhai.
Okay. So, good morning, everyone. Today I am standing here to invite my partner.
Here.
Okay.
I'm standing here.
I am standing here to invite my partner
Because I'm trainer here.
because I am training here.
Training.
Trainer here. Okay.
So let's welcome.
Let's welcome Mr. Farooq Bhai.
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah, you're training here. Come on.
Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Muhammad Farooq Azam. I belong to Bihar. I am standing here for learning English. And currently I am standing here. My topic is focus. My dear audience, every student's focus look at light. Every student focus look at light. Look at light. Hello guys, you are not focused? Huh?
He also.
Once upon a time, I am going to market. I am going to market. You are not focused. Traffic light. You can be accident. You can get accident. After that, you can get penalty. You will be admission of the at the hospital. Admitted. Your hand and your body is can be fractured. Your hand is broken. Your hand can be broken. Your foot can be broken. Every student, I want to say, focus. You are not focused. First time, I want to say focus. Look at light. Are you focused? Look at me. You are not focused. Without focus, you cannot achieve anything. Without focus, you cannot achieve your goal. Without focus, you cannot personality development. Without focus, you cannot become public speaking. Every student's focus. After that, without focus, you cannot anything. Without focus, you are all the students on another state come to here for learning English, but you are not focused. Board, you are not focused. Teacher, you cannot learn English. Your money is spent, your time is best. I want to say all these students, every time you are going to market, you are attending the class. Yeah, you are present. You are speaking on the podium. You will be focused all the students. You will have to focus all the students. And you will be focused. Teacher told me, you will be focused. Without focus, you cannot anything. Focus. Focus is very important in our life. You cannot nothing without focus. Thank you, sir.
Alright, very nice. बहुत अच्छे. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Now motivate him. Give them focus.
Yeah.
Become trainer.
Because, oh my God, I heard very well. My partner motivate me also. I am not trainer. Trainer. Yeah, he is my trainer. We both
We both
trainer.
are trainers for each other.
Yes.
Okay. Now you speak on focus and you motivate him. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
boy, you can do it.
Hello, guys.
Guys, कैसे?
Sorry, sir.
एक है ना? हाँ.
Hello, my friends.
Okay.
Girlfriend?
My friends, sir.
I'm sorry.
Yes, my friend. Focus. You are speaking. Speak loudly. You are not focused. You are speaking slowly. You are not focused. All the students. Focus. Speak loudly. Loudly.
Okay.
Great.
So, I wanna say about focus.
Of course.
Focus means when you are studying and somebody call you, somebody message you, but you focus on your study.
You should.
You should focus on your study. That's the focus. And actually, I am not.
Speak loudly, my friends. Speak loudly. Speak slowly. Don't focus.
Okay.
Speak loudly.
Focus means when we are going to market and buy some vegetable, you have to focus on vegetable because shopkeeper give you poor vegetable. Focus means when we come in Welltalk Institute, you have to focus on stage because if you want to learning English, you have to focus. And you also observe everybody. You should have to observe everybody because if you observe anybody, then you will become more confident.
My partner is this is my partner. He is turning, but my partner is confident, not focused.
Yes.
You are unconfident, not focused. You are focus. You should focus. You are telling any word. You focus.
इनको सबसे मिलवाइए लेके जाके कॉन्फिडेंट कराइए उनको
Focus.
Okay.
Video.
Hello. Okay. Hi. Hi, Sarojini. Okay.
Focus.
Okay. Hi. What is your name?
हाथ नहीं मिलाना है
What's your name? Okay. Where are you from?
You are not
Okay.
focused. Anurag, this topic is focused, but Anurag is not focused. Anurag, he is talking. Not focus, yaar. Focus. Focus. You can you are not talking any student. Only focus you are on the speaker.
इनसे बोलिए कि when we are talking, you should not discuss here. You should focus on stage. Tell him.
When we speaking on the stage, you are not focused. Why?
You are not focusing.
You are not focusing. Why? You are not focused. You are not learning English. You cannot learning English. You cannot speak on the podium fluently English. You should listen. Focus carefully. But you did not focus. You are not focused here. You cannot. You are not focused.
यही बात आप बोलिए उनसे.
When anybody speak on podium, you have to focus on podium. Otherwise, you can't achieve anything.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Please sit down. इन लोगों को अगर इसरो में भेज दिया जाए, एक ही सैटेलाइट उड़ी, फोकस, अरे वापस आ रही है. नहीं बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. बट मयंक फारूक भाई थोड़ा सा फ्री टाइम पे ग्रामर को पढ़ा करें आप, ठीक है ना. ग्रामर बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं. हालांकि कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत जज्बा भी है, ग्रामर तोड़ रही है आपकी कम्युनिकेशन से. ऑलराइट, लेट्स वेलकम द मेंटर मिस्टर मंजीत. कहीं निगाहें कहीं निशाना. Hi sir.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fantastic, sir.
So, come here. You're a mentor.
Yes.
You're a trainer.
Today I'm Cap, sir.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Yes.
Of course. And who's Cap, sir?
I'm Cap, sir. Today I am Cap, sir, only.
No, who is Cap, sir?
You are Cap, sir.
No, you are Cap, sir.
Yeah. I'm Cap, sir. You are Manjeet.
I'm Manjeet. right?
Yes.
So, tell me.
What happened?
I'm Manjeet.
Please be confident. Look like sir.
Okay. I am Manjeet.
Yeah.
So, I'm speaking. Hello, guys. अच्छा ऐसे. Hello, guys.
1 second. Change. I am Manjeet. You are Cap, sir.
Yes, come on. You can do it.
Hello, guys.
No,
I am Manjeet.
no, excuse me, come on. Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Yeah.
I am Manjeet. You know? And he's a Cap, sir.
Of course, I'm Cap.
Yes.
Come on.
So
Now invite your
okay, sir.
friend.
Today I would like to invite a great personality, and just he like Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh.
The way he's speaking, just like Ranu Mandal. Yes. So I would like to invite Mr. Sachin.
Satish. Come on, Satish. कुछ भी बोलो तो
बिहार से सारा तुम चलता है. Good morning, afternoon. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Satish sir. I am from Madhya Bihar. Today is my first day in the stage.
In the stage.
On the stage. On the stage. My topic is how are learn English. Yes. How are speaking. काहे डर रहे हो? सब भैया बहन है. Be careful. Hello, my name is Manjeet Kumar and I am from land of Buddha. Just like this. Hello guys, my name is Satish sir. I am from Madhya Bihar. Yes. My topic is where are you? Where are learning English? Hi, learning nahi. Listen. My topic is why are you learning English? Just like this. Be confident. Why are learning English? Yes. I am learning English because I can communicate anyone in the world. Yes. If you will not be talk to English, so I. आओ पहले गोल लगो इनको. अरे कम. तुम्हारे को आज कॉन्फिडेंस तुम्हारे लाई देगा. पैर पकड़ इनको. चलो. Listen. Everybody is your sister and brother.
Yes, yes.
Why are you afraid? Everybody, the way is speaking, everybody mistake.
Yes.
Don't think my grammar is not good. Yeah, you speak only. Then you speak grammar. My grammar is not good. But you have confidence, so definitely we will speak. Let's start again.
My topic is why I learn English.
Yes.
I am learning English because I can communicate anyone in the world. If you will not be talk to English, if you will not talk to English, so they
not talk to in English, so you cannot get a job, better job.
So get better job opportunity in the future. It is a global language. Today is a very important this language.
डरा हुआ है हमको भी ले जाएगा कहाँ डर
I can't not speak English.
क्या डर है तुम बताओ पहले
कुछ नहीं मतलब मैं सेंटेंस नहीं बना पा रहा हूँ ग्रामर कमजोर है
तो पहले ही बोले कि ग्रामर तो हमारा भी कमजोर है
मेरा पूरा ज़्यादा ही कमजोर है इसलिए
तो हिंदी में बोलो हिंदी में बोलो हाँ हिंदी में इंग्लिश का है जरूरी है हिंदी में बताओ
गाइस इंग्लिश इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि आजकल
भोजपुरी वाला
नहीं भोजपुरी नहीं है
भोजपुरी नहीं आता मैथिली मैथिली बोल सकते बोलो मैथिली में बोलो
आज सबका मैथिली यदि नहीं
चलो बोलो बोलो मैथिली बोलो इंग्लिश का जरूरी बात बताओ अरे बोला यार हमारा बेइज्जती हो जाएगा समझ रहे हो
यदि हमरा इंग्लिश नहीं आते तो हम कतो जॉब नहीं कर पावे छे अच्छा कंपनी हमरा नहीं ला सके है इसलिए कि हमरा इंग्लिश नहीं आवे छे यदि हमरा स्किल नहीं रहते अच्छा तो हमरा कोनो कंपनी अच्छा नहीं जॉब देते या 10-15 हजार की जॉब देते यदि हमरा इंग्लिश बाजल हेते तो हमरा अच्छा कंपनी लेते लाइक अमेजन फेसबुक विप्रो दिस टाइप सो तैला एना जरूरी हमरा इंग्लिश
तो जल्दी रे आवे छे
स्पीक
हां बहुत अच्छे ठीक गुड यार नहीं ज्यादा फोर्स ना करें तो कोच हो जाएगा
सर he know everyone he know every they are speaking I am already mistake no
Yeah.
don't afraid just you focus just like
yes
so speak again try definitely we will speak able to speak after 1 month next month or we will not speak so we will get outside you know
प्राइम बैच से निकाल दिए जाओगे
yes
बोलना पड़ेगा
you want to say something
इनको क्या टास्क के क्या दिया था आपने सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन
no sir you are important in English
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं हमें लगता है कुछ बच्चों ज़्यादा अगर हम फोर्स कर देंगे ना वो भाग जाएंगे
ना सर भागने वाले नहीं हमें सीखना जरूरी है
बुरा नहीं मानना है ना
आप जितना भी जबरदस्ती करा लीजिए मैं चाहता हूँ वही कि मेरे से ज़्यादा ही काम करवाइए
शर्मिंदा हो
he's from my neighbor so that's why I force him sir
नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं उन्होंने कहा कुछ बच्चे सेंसिटिव होते हैं
I am fine
ठीक ऑलराइट तो थोड़ा फिर से बोलिए कि व्हाई यू आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश उसके बाद बैठ जाइए चलिए कोशिश करिए प्लीज आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश बिकॉज़
I am learning English because I can communicate everyone in the world. If you will not be talk to English, because I am very back in the world. So I am learning English.
Yes. Very nice. No problem. Alright, next, Mr. Asad Mentor. Mr. Asad Mentor. Arshad, please. Jaldi kar. We don't have time. हाँ. Who's your trainee? अच्छा, you will invite. Alright, Monu नहीं, Monu. Hey Monu.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. Guys, now I am inviting a great personality man. Oh my God, he's looking so cute also.
Oh, how beautiful is his voice. Oh my God. Let's come.
Let's come, well, let's welcome.
Let's welcome Mr. Monu on the stage.
फिर बोल, let's welcome Monu on the stage. फिर
Let's-
सही है, बोले फिर सही है.
Let's welcome Mr. Monu on the stage.
हाथ मिलाइए फिर यहाँ लेकर आइए.
Yes. Hi, sir. Come on.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Oh my God.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
I am going to talk about why am I learning? Okay.
Yes.
I am learning English. I am learning English because one day I saw my father. My father is
Farmer.
sorry.
Yes. My father is a farmer. Yes.
My father is a businessman.
Oh my God.
My father is a businessman, but my father
Always support me.
1 minute. My father every day face problem for English language because he don't direct contact employee for English language.
Yes.
For English language, but that's why I realized I need English language. I should learning English language.
Yes.
English language. I will want to become to in future businessman. But I am learning English.
Yes. I'm learning English. Oh my God.
Sorry.
Yes. Yes.
But I am learning English. Because one day I will
become a
businessman.
Yes.
Businessman.
Yes. Follow.
Businessman. I think many problems of English language.
Yes.
I think many problems in English language.
Okay. Tell a dialogue, please. हाँ. बोलो. हम भूखे वाले बच्चा है. एक दिन आएगा. सब कुछ खाएंगे. अगर घर से निकल के आया हूँ तो इतिहास लिख कर ही जाएंगे. Yes. बोलो. Brother. बोलो. Why you come to here?
For English language.
No, tell. English is so important.
English is most important.
Yes.
This is global language.
Yes.
This is global language.
Yes.
This is global language.
Yes.
English.
Can you?
How are you? What are you doing right now?
I'm sitting and watching you.
Oh my God. Yes. Thank you, बोलो अच्छा से.
You can do it.
Okay, thank you. Hello. What is your name? Monu Chaurasia. My name is Monu Chaurasia. Where are you from?
Okay. Tell again.
मोनू अभी भी झुका है.
Yes. बोलो है बाबूजी. बोलो.
No, sir. Sorry. I know.
Sir.
मेंटोर की बात नहीं सुनी जा रही है.
Sir. बोलो. About English. Your topic is English, no?
Next person please. GK.
Okay. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
जल्दी है. टाइम एकदम नहीं है.
अच्छा हुआ.
Confident girl. Confident.
So, everybody, are you getting tired? Excited? You know what? On the stage, I'm going to invite a warrior. A warrior who fought for the nation and sieged Jhansi ki Rani. Mrs. Chahat, please come on. Miss Chahat, please come on the stage. Miss Chahat, please come on the stage. Chahat. The stage is yours. Break the people, break the stage. Okay? Yes. Yes.
Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, sir. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for having me this wonderful opportunity. Today I am here to talk about Clean India and Green India. Do you know, guys, what is environment? Do you know? I think you are forget what is environment. You are forget. Oh my God. You are forget. And you are throwing outside garbage. What is this? You have a no civic sense. You have a no common sense. You have a no manners. You are just looking like a garbage there and here. What is this?
Yes.
I am not adjusting here. I am not. Oh my God. I am not. I am not adjusting here. Because of you. Because of you. Because of you. Hey guys. Understand. Please understand. Make an environment, guys. Make an environment. Make an environment. Samjho. Understood. You are forget your nation. Oh my God. Oh no. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is condition this? What is condition? It is very dirty. What is condition? What is condition? Because of you guys, because of you. You are only fulfill our desire, fulfill our requirement, fulfill our needs, fulfill our dreams. But what about this? What about this, guys? What about this, guys? No, I am not adjusting. I am not adjusting here. I am go outside. No. Kill me, please kill me.
No, please.
You are animal. You are killer. Please. I am not adjusting here. You are the same. Oh my God. You are forget our nation. In environment, there is lots of like garbage throwing outside. What is this? Same on you guys, same on you. What is this? I am not adjusting. I am not adjusting.
Because of
please,
them.
Please, I am not adjusting. Kill me.
No.
What is this? Clean country is a healthy country. Clean country is a healthy country, and healthy country is a happy country.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys, for listening to me. Please, understood.
You. My sister wanted to suicide. Only because of you. You say yourself that I'm Indian? Really? What is the responsibility you are taking? The responsibility of making India dirty? Full of garbage? Is that your responsibility which you are taking? And you are saying that I'm Indian, I'm proud of India. Yes, I'm proud of India, but you the people only just saying, not making India to feel proud. And it's happening because of you. Because of you, everybody is the responsible for that. My trainee beautifully mentioned that how
we are destroying the environment, we are destroying the nature. Please inculcate the words as he said. You just listen here and after going in a peace in home and you forget everything. Why? It is your responsibility to understand the situation of India. And you are still stuck in social media? Come out from the home. Come out from the home. Often you think that what I can do. You don't even realize that if I will pick a single piece of garbage, everybody will come to pick all the pieces of garbage with me. Understand? Yes. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. So please take the responsibility to make the nation great and healthy and happy and clean and fulfill the dream who has been seen by Mahatma Gandhi. Fulfill the dreams of Mahatma Gandhi. He made our country free. He made our country given the freedom. Why? Only for that we can travel the world? We can eat food? We can sleep? What about the nation? You just sleep, wake up, sleep, wake up, sleep, wake up. What about the nation? Don't be that much selfish that your nation can destroy again and again, slowly, slowly, gradually. Please, just scrutinize yourself that internally our nation is being destroyed by us. Even I think that I start crying thinking about my nation. That's what's happening in my nation.